Hey guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I decided to do something a little different. So I'm actually like a really massive accessory person. Like I love my accessories. So I thought that I would film a video sharing with you guys my favorite accessories. And I'll probably break them down into sections. Like I have a lot of accessories, but I only picked out like a few of my absolute favorites. I like necklaces and I wear them a lot, but I don't have that many favorite necklaces. I kind of just wear different ones according to which ones match my outfit, but I thought I'll show you guys a few of my favorite ones. And my most favorite one would probably have to be this one, which is a Swarovski necklace with a moon and star in it, which is really cute. My two best friends got this for my birthday 2 years ago when I was turning 19. So I love this. I wear it pretty often. It's probably one of the necklaces that I wear the most, but like I love it. It's so nice. My other necklace that I really like that I don't wear that often is probably this one. I feel like this choker is really nice. It's just a black circle with a gold little string down there. I feel like it just looks really dainty and pretty, so I love this. My sister got it for me from Korea, but I love chokers. I actually wear chokers a lot, but yeah, these are probably my only favorite ones. Other ones are just like basic silver, black, gold chokers. So next I think I'm going to talk about bracelets, and I honestly don't really wear bracelets that often. I kind of have just like this really simple Pandora bracelet that I wear occasionally. This was like one of the ones where if you spent a certain amount you got it as a gift, and my mum just gave it to me, but it's like the Christmas one with the snowflake on it. And I have a few charms on my other bracelet that I occasionally put onto this one and wear it, but I don't really wear bracelets that often, so I don't really wear this. But I do sometimes wear watches, so I thought I'd just talk about the two watches that I wear the most. I have this one right here from WELLY MERCK, and it's a really cute rose gold watch. It has a really clean white face with a thin rose gold framing, which I love. I've been looking for a rose gold watch for the longest time, so I absolutely love this one. The strap is actually adjustable, which I'm obsessed with, because I don't think I didn't even know that watches had adjustable straps until like I got this one. So it fits my wrist perfectly, and I love it because I don't have to go get it altered or anything. So this is really great. If you do want to pick up your own, I do have a discount code on this one. I think it is my Instagram name with 15 at the end for 15% off, but I'll leave it on screen somewhere. The other watch that I want to talk about is this Daniel Wellington watch right here, which has the red, blue and white straps and a big silver white face. As you can tell, I do prefer like the clean looking, simple, thin frame around it, but this one's a silver one, which I love. My sister actually got this one for me ages ago. I think it was probably like 4 or 5 years. She got it for me back when I was in high school. I love it. It's so versatile and I feel like it goes with everything. I don't think it even works anymore, but I still wear it when I want to like accessorize, but I don't even use it to be a proper watch. But I love it. And I think she brought this back when they didn't really have this kind of style out for females, because I like the big faces. So I think this was actually a male watch, so the strap is massive on me, so I always have to fold it back when I wear it. But I love it. It's super cute. Good memories. Hello? To share a few of my favorite earrings, and I'm wearing a few now that I'm absolutely obsessed with. My brother got these for my birthday last year, and they're like little blossoms, and there's like a little flower up here and a little flower down there, and I love them because they're so pretty, and they're rose gold, and rose gold is probably my favorite accessory color because it's like pinky pretty, so I love it. So the other pair of earrings that I absolutely love are these little ones here, which is like a little circle, and they come down in a small ball thingy, but it's a marbly rock pink at the top, which is really pretty. I got these when I was in Sydney with my friends. I did a vlog on it. I'll leave that somewhere. But yeah, I picked these up with one of my friends. We had like there was like a discount thing where it's like if you buy two you get them for like 25, 30, I don't really remember to be honest. But yeah, we picked these up and they're so cute. So I have these earrings that I love, which is this one right here. I lost I lost the second one. My sister got these for me when she went to like Korea and Japan. I don't know which one she got it from, but she got it for me when she came back from a trip. So she got me these and I lost the second pair, so I'm absolutely devastated. But they're like the cutest little earrings ever. Like, it hooks at the bottom and then you can like see the little blossom peeking out from under your ear. I love it. It's so cute. These ones that I got from Kelly Co. I also have a collab code with her, but I honestly don't know if that one's still valid. I'll put it up, but I don't think it's valid because it was a while ago. But I love these. They're super cute. I love anything with stars and moons, like just like the necklace that I showed. Like stars and moons, I'm a sucker. And blossoms, stars, moons, blossoms, whatever they are, I'm obsessed with it. So these, and I love the length of them as well. They just look so nice and dainty. I like how they're heavy at the top and then they come down really clean, because then it kind of just focuses mostly on the ear and then it comes down and just like, it's pretty. These ones are just super cute. They have the face on them. I don't really like how big this gold part at the top is. I kind of wish it was just like a small like hook and then the head was the main piece, but like I'm not complaining. They're super cute and I love them. It's like a cute winky face. These are really adorable. I got these when I was in Gold Coast with my family from a little store called Dish. I've never even seen a store called Dish because I don't think they have them in Melbourne. But yeah, we walked past it and they had really nice stuff, so we popped in and I saw these and I absolutely love them. I feel like they're so simple and clean and they would just go with everything. And they're detachable too, so like if I wanted I could just wear like that top half just like that, or put these onto another pair of earrings, which I love because it's versatile. So I recently went to a store and picked these up. I saw these a while ago in Tree of Life, and I've never shopped there, but my mum was walking in so I just followed her and I saw these earrings and I fell in love. They're so adorable, and my mum was like, no, wait for them to go on sale because they always go on sale and I'll buy them for you when they go on sale. And then they went on sale and she bought them for me, so I'm super happy. But they're so cute. So they're these like little silver lotus earrings and like, oh my god, so adorable. I can't even get over it. Excited to wear these because I haven't worn these yet, but I actually cannot get over how adorable they are. I love earrings, like anything that's just like I want to get more of my ears pierced, but I know they're gonna get infected and they're just gonna be a pain in the ass to take care of. So I don't think I will, but I'm like so tempted. I used to have a cartilage piercing and that got in, like it was so good, and then suddenly I started sleeping on it and it got infected, and then I was like soz, took it out and then that hole closed. So no more cartilage piercings, but I'm happy with my lobe. I don't even wear that many things in my second lobes anymore. I always just wear them in my bottom ones because I always wear statement pieces and I feel weird to wear statement pieces with another small stud at the back, so I just wear like, you know. But yeah, anyways, so I have like a few random pieces that I still classify as accessories. I've worn these so many times because I feel like they go with everything, which is kind of depressing because they're weird as fuck. But they're the clout goggles. I freaking got these off YesStyle for $3. I don't even remember. But they legit go with every outfit. I can't just wear them on my head. I'm wearing a headband right now, so I can't do that. But like, I can't just wear them on my head, and I feel like they go so well with everything. So like, I love. And they're $4. You can't go wrong. You seriously can't. I purchased a pair from Boohoo recently, but a red pair, and I'm really excited to get those because I can think of the outfits. Anyways, the second pair of sunnies that I wanted to share with you guys are these really cute pink pair over here. I picked these up from a store in Chadstone. I don't know what it's called. I feel like it's called Trendy Creatures. But how cute are they? I love the transition, how it goes pink to clear, and then the clear frames, and then the gold detailing. I feel like it's just super adorable and I love it. So these are the other pair of accessories that I really like. I have tons of sunnies, but I want to take them out and try them all, so I'm just going to show you these two. Headbands. So I have these ones here. Like, I got all of these when I was on my trip overseas in Taiwan. No offense, but I feel like Melbourne just doesn't have as nice headbands as they do in Asian countries. So I just picked up a few when I went. This one is definitely my favorite just because, do you see this bow? Like, this bow is so voluptuous and it curves really nice, and the wiring on this one's really nice, and the fabric's nice, and it like holds its shape. Most ones are always like this, where it's kind of a square, and it comes out really long, and it doesn't look bad. You just fold it down and it still looks cute, but I feel like something about the shape of this one is just so much more flattering and nice, and it just looks adorable on. So I love this one. Like, I need to go more. Like, I have a trip. I'm so excited. I'm going to Japan soon, and like, you know, I'm gonna vlog it, but I'm so excited to pick up some new accessories because like, I'm gonna go ham. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!